Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the 70s inspired hippie look in Dress to Impress. So it's perfect for spreading good vibes and slaying the runway with retro flair. And this is the hippie look that I created. And I'm going to show you how you can recreate this one. So let's go with the hair first. For the hair first, I'm going to use this hair and change the color into this one. And let's go to the braids category and use this hair. Again, I'm going to use the same color and just leave the beads color as it is. Okay, so now this is the hair, and for the outfit, first, I'm going to put on this top and change the color with this patterns in here, flowery patterns. You can choose any flower patterns that you like. I'm going to just use this one, for example. And after that, I'm going to use the this jeans in here with the flower on it and change the color into this one. And for the flower, I'm going to make it orange like this. Okay, now I'm going to put on this, add accessories and change the color orange like the top. For the next accessories, I'm going to put on this necklace and this bracelet, and lastly this bags. I'm going to change it into this brown color. And next, for the shoe, I'm going to just put on this wedges, okay, with the same color like the top. So this is the final look for the 70s hippie, and sorry if it's different from the example, but that's basically it. Like if you are vibing with the 70s, comment your favorite retro item and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more iconic looks in DTI. Bye.